Good morning. 10,000 beds, Sardar Patel COVID Care Center and Hospital in Delhi. It has given a huge relief to the people of Delhi during the time of pandemic, when we have seen the Delhi's contribution in the deadly virus was good in number, and we have seen how the Aam Aadmi Party or the Arvind Kejriwal government in Delhi messed up everything. After that, messing the entire thing and unable to control the pandemic in Delhi, Amit Shah or the central government has to intervene. As a result, we have seen a 10,000 bed COVID center and hospital was there, and it operational. Now this Sardar Patel COVID Care and Center and Hospital will treat mild and asymptomatic patients. At the same time, it has the capacity to provide oxygen support therapy on a section of beds in case there is a drop of oxygen level in or in saturated situation in case of some patient. At the same time, it has 875 doctors with on duty, 875 doctors, at the same number of doctors in a second medical staff. And this hospital has been is located inside Radha Swami Satsang Beans in Delhi. So this is a very huge place where more than 10,000, so as per report, but it has got 10,000, some article it's showing 10,200 or something, but it's very big. And whatever small thing which I said about 875 doctors and beds and asymptomatic oxygen, etc., it has got more things. You can check in the internet. It has got ambulance and various facilities will be available at Sardar Patel COVID Care Center. Now, within a short span of time, Home Minister, with the help of this center has been built by Indo-Tibetan Border Police personnel. Basically, the Indo-Tibetan Border Police personnel, medical personnel, they have installed, has started this facility with a short span of time, and they will be responsible for the operational activities of this 10,000 bed. Now again, I am saying it's a great relief. It's a huge relief for the people of Delhi, because in the past we have seen the Arvind Kejriwal government came up with a weird kind of orders, like beds only for the people of Delhi. Then Manish Sisodia said there will be 5 lakhs this virus affected patient by July. Then the health minister of Aam Aadmi Party Delhi government is saying there is the chances of community spread in Delhi. So there was messed up, and when the things got messed up, and Arvind Kejriwal realized the number is growing, and the death rate also it's showing its growth. So central government has to intervene. Now this is a very good thing which central governments, with the help of Indo-Tibetan Border Police personnel, medical personnel, has come up. Now Saturday there was a controversy happened when this on this, because Arvind Kejriwal always say no, we will not do politics with this in this matter, because in center there is a BJP government and Aam Aadmi Party in Delhi, both are against each other, and Arvind Kejriwal say no, what central government say, we will do it, but Aam Aadmi Party's member of Parliament Sanjay Singh started tweeting when Amit Shah went for the inspection of this center. Then then MLAs from Aam Aadmi party started tweeting on Twitter saying they means basically the Aam Aadmi party trying to take the credit of this hospital of 10,000 bed hospital in spite of limited role of the Delhi government in setting up the entire hospital. Then at the same time the Aam Aadmi party members also mocked at the Bharatiya Janata Party or the BJP ruled government after naming the hospital after Sardar Patel. Now I have seen on Twitter one MLA, I couldn't remember her name, but she was openly saying that BJP has spent huge amount of money for the statue of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, but at the same time Arvind Kejriwal has built this 10,000 beds hospital. So you can understand they try to take the credit where Aam Aadmi party or the Delhi government has got a limited or with no role on this. But this came into this 10,000 bed hospital came into picture only when Amit Shah took the charge. Now you should understand. Delhi is a national capital of India, and in the national capital of India we have a good amount of this deadly virus patient, and people say and the mortality rate is also not up to the mark, then everybody will focus on Delhi. That is the reason central government has to intervene on this matter. So yes, there was a problem with Aam Aadmi party that everybody is focusing on Delhi. Every state has got a same problem. Nobody is perfect in the other state. All is okay, fine, but Delhi is the capital of India, and the number should go down. As per the interview of Amit Shah, he's doing mass testing now. They will go for this individual home to home testing, because Delhi is not so big, it's a very small big, it's not so big, so testing can be done, mass testing can be done. At the same time 10,000 plus beds are available. So at this point of time, this cheap politics done by the Arvind Kejriwal government was not good, because at this time of pandemic everybody should join hand and try to find out solution how to overcome this pandemic and make India safe. Not at the same time to take the credit, no, Aam Aadmi party built this hospital, and BJP will say no, we have done, no, we don't want this kind of thing. And Arvind Kejriwal should tell his members, okay, before tweeting all this thing, please look into the sensitive matter of this situation, because Amit Shah is taking serious note on this matter. At the same time, if you see the interview of Amit Shah, he always says that Arvind Kejriwal has always kept in loop. Whenever some steps are taken for Delhi, Arvind Kejriwal has to be taken in loop, because he is the Chief Minister of Delhi. But this hijacking by the Aam Aadmi party, that the 10,000 bed COVID bed which was operational has been made by Aam Aadmi parties, looked very cheap, and politics in the matter we don't accept, or other people of India will not accept. If you like my video, kindly subscribe my channel, and don't forget to like, comment and share. Thank you very much.